Hello students, today we will read a chapter that is Robinson Crusoe and two questions answers. If you want to see more study videos, do like, share and subscribe my videos. We will make soon your videos. So let's start this chapter. See, here you are seeing a man. Hey, this. Who is this? This is Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe is a man that she was destroyed by the Spaghetti and he lives in the island for many years. So let's read out this chapter and then we have to thought how Robinson Crusoe did do his life in the island. So let's read. Robinson Crusoe's ship was destroyed by the sea. He had been alone for many years and longed for company. One day he discovers a footprint on the sand. Let's find out what he did that. Means, one day when Robinson Crusoe was going through its boats, someone destroyed its sea in the in near island, and she has alone in the island for many years and longed for company, and he never see her company. One day he discovers a footprint. What is meaning of footprint? Your footprint. This. Let's find what he did then. So let's read out this chapter and then we know what he did. One day I was going towards my boat. I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. I stood amazed, I listened, I looked around me, I put down, I went up to the shore and down the shore, but it was no good. I could not find no other footprint. But that one I went to again to see if there were any more footprint and tell if I had my imagination. But I was not mistaken, for there was the print of foot, toes, heels, every part of a foot. I could not imagine how it came there. I stayed a long time thinking, but became more and more confused. What is Robinson Crusoe saying? One day he was going towards his boat and he go to a island part. He see the footprint of a man and he stood amazed. He surprised. Which footprint is this? Who made it this footprint? And then she went to it again. He has not mistaken. There is exactly the print of foot. Why was not mistaken? Because it has part of toes. It has toes, heel, and every part of foot. I could not imagine how did it came there. I stayed long time thinking. He stayed long time thinking and he became more and more confused. So let's go to our next page. So let's read out this chapter again, then we know how what is after when the Robinson Crusoe story. At last, I returned home very frightened, looking behind me after every 2 or 3 bushes, mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. When I came to my cave, which I called my castle, I ran it inside, as if I was being chased. I don't remember whatever I used the ladder or went up by in the hole in the rock which I called the door. I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. He was saying, At last, I go to my home. See, the Robinson Crusoe's home. He was going to his home. See. And looking, he was mistaking every bushes like a man. He think that all bushes are look like a man. That it is look like a bushes is look like a man. I was stressed, means I was confused. I go to the hole and into the rock which I called the door. And he covers and I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. He ran too much, any animal could run. I don't sleep that night. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became. I thought it would be one of the spagists of the mainland who had wandered out of the sea in the small boat. Luckily, I was not on the shore at that time. But what if he had seen my boat? If he had seen my boat, what would have replied that someone lived on the island and would soon return with others to kill me? He not sleep at night because he was afraid of spagies. Who is spagies? Spagies are जंगली इंसान. स्पैगिस जंगली इंसान होते हैं, इसलिए वो रात भर तक नहीं सोया था क्योंकि वो जंगली इंसानों से डर गया था. रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो जंगली इंसान नहीं था, वो तो एक आदमी था, बट वो उनसे डर कर रह रहा था. See, this is the footprint that he was shown. और वो शोर पे एक समय में पहुंच गया और उसने अपनी बोट को देखी और उसने देखा कि कोई आइलैंड पे तो रहता था या फिर रहता है, और कहीं वो अपने साथियों को बुलाकर मेरे को मार देगा. And so I lay fearful for many days. I prayed for protection. I don't so. I was more comfort and became good to the evil. उसने मतलब कि भगवान से प्रार्थना की, हे भगवान मुझे इतनी हिम्मत देना कि मैं बचकर रह सकूं. और मतलब कि बाहर निकला फिर से. And 2-3 days and saw nothing. I became a little bolder. I decided to go down the shore again. I imagined that the footprint once more. I decided to measure it my own footmark. That he went about again it. He saw again the footprint. यानी कि वो फिर से वहाँ पर गया, उसने फिर से वहाँ पर एक फुटप्रिंट देखी. अब वो फिर से डर गया. उसने सोचा एक बार मैं मेजर करके देख लेता हूँ कि ये मेरा ही तो नहीं. As he as I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Secondly, I was placed my foot along the footprint. It is second larger than my own. My fear returned. I went home again, believing that there was someone there. The island was inhabited. यानी कि वो फुटप्रिंट के पास गया और उसने देखा कि फुटप्रिंट तो उससे छोटा पड़ गया, यानी कि मतलब कि उसका जो फुटप्रिंट था वो उससे थोड़ा छोटा पड़ गया था. बट उसने रियलाइज किया कि ये मेरा तो फुटप्रिंट है ही नहीं, और उसका जो डर था वो लौट कर आ गया और वो घर चला गया. और उसने सोचा जो आइलैंड है वो मतलब कि अब खतरे में है, अब मुझे अपने साथियों को चिल्ला चिल्ला कर बुलाना पड़ेगा पर इनसे बचकर. ये कहानी किसने लिखी थी? डोनाल्ड ड्यूफ रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो. This story was adapted from Donald Dewey Robinson Crusoe. This Donald Dewey Robinson Crusoe. Thanks for watching this video. The question answer series came soon and I went up soon. So stay home, and firstly we have to do the questions answer. So we have to do the new words. This bag is वाइल्ड पीपल इन अ प्राइमेटेड स्टेट, यानी कि स्पैगेस का मतलब है कि जो वाइल्ड पीपल हुए वो प्राइमेटेड यानी कि खतरे वाले जगह पे। बेलैंड जो मतलब कि उनकी एक अच्छा मतलब कि एक ही जगह है। कहते हैं ना इंडिया मेनलैंड, इंडिया मेनलैंड नहीं, मतलब कि किसी ने किसी पे कब्जा कर लिया तो वो उसका, तो जो जहाँ पे वो पहला देश था तो उसको मेनलैंड मान लें। वेंडर यानी कि एक डेफिनेट ट्रूथ। बोल्डर यानी कि कॉन्फिडेंट के साथ। इनहैबिटेड ऑक्यूपाइड ड्यूल इन, यानी कि अपनी जो मतलब कि डरी हुई शक्ति है वो निकालना। And thanks for watching my video. Do like, share, subscribe. We meet soon. So take care. Stay at home. Stay protected. Bye bye. We meet you soon.